Software Spring. Presents. How to use MMULT to calculate total stock portfolio value on any day in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the MMULT function to calculate the total stock portfolio value on one or more days. I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Many thanks for your support. Alright, first let's find out what MMULT stands for. MMULT means matrix multiplication. MMULT returns the sum of the product of the column values and their corresponding row values. As an example, consider this sample portfolio of stocks. Here are the number of shares held and their corresponding values on these dates. To calculate the total portfolio value on a particular day, use MMULT function, which multiplies share price of each company with the corresponding quantity and returns the sum of the product. The generic formula is the MMULT function formula is matrix 1 is the first multiplication factor. Matrix 2 is the second multiplication factor. Key point: the number of columns in matrix 1 should be equal to the number of rows in matrix 2. Moving forward, here is the formula with the actual values. Alright, let me type the formula. This is the total portfolio values for these dates. Summary: MMULT returns the sum of the product of two matrices. MMULT can be used for tasks like calculating the total stock portfolio value on any day. MMULT function formula is the number of columns in matrix 1 should be equal to the number of rows in matrix 2. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.